The digital product sales funnel is dead. The creator economy now calls for you to create valuable digital products. Those $47 ebooks you made on ChatGPT are not going to make you any money. I know a lot of the gurus trying to sell you their programs are selling you that crap right now. But the truth is, most of them, maybe 90%, are not profitable at all. If you're going to make money online, you need to be focused on solving a real problem with a real product. Let me break it down for you. What's up, creators? I'm Chris. Thank you for tuning into the channel. Before I get started, hit the like button. Appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing. And hit the hype button. It's completely free. Appreciate the support. Now, today we got to get into the digital products of this creator economy system. This is important because people are still pushing this out. I see these videos all the time where people are telling you to go to ChatGPT, use all of these prompts and help write your ebook in 30 minutes or less. And truthfully, if you can make a digital product in 30 minutes or less, is it actually going to be good? Most likely it won't be. And if you can do it, can't millions of other people? Yes, that's why most of them don't sell. Those digital products do not make you money. That's just a painful truth. So in the creator economy, you got to learn how to build products that are going to solve problems. This is what I call the crux method. The crux method is focusing on solving a problem that really is painful for a group of people, right? And you're not solving this problem with a little crappy digital product. You have a digital product that is a tool, something that actually ties into a solution that people truly, truly need. For example, back in 2018, 2019, a trainer could create a digital product that was a simple training program. And I knew some people that did this where they had the ebook and it was the exercises and stuff, and maybe some links in that ebook to where people could know how to do the exercises and like a fitness tracker and stuff. And that was fine. And for that time, it was a great digital product. But now the creator economy has changed. It's a whole different ballgame now. Now you're required to create valuable products. So now what you can do, instead of that crappy digital product, you go and vibe code your own fitness app. It literally can be done in a weekend. Yeah, it takes a little bit of time and it's going to cost you a little more money, but it's going to be so much better. You can make your own fitness app so your people can get their workouts, get meal plans, maybe even schedule one-on-one training sessions with you, track their calories, all kind of stuff, all on this one app for like $50 a month. Think about how much more valuable that is versus a PDF that people are going to look at once or twice and forget it's there. Anything you could do with the PDF, you can now do 100 times better and faster. So I just want people to understand what's possible now. When you get past the crappy digital products, you can make something that's very useful that people will actually pay for month over month. And you got to acknowledge the sales funnel is dead. The old school sales funnel for digital products was you give somebody a free lead magnet and then they get on your email list and you sell them one thing and you upsell something else. That method is dead. It's been done over and over again. And most of the products people sold using this process were not good. That was the biggest problem. Most of the products were crappy because people were just trying to put stuff out fast and it was never actually useful. So now, instead of going through that crappy funnel, what I do with the crux method is focus on talking about their problem with them first and then delivering a solution immediately. Not the crappy PDF, but a one-on-one solution tailored to that person specifically. I'll give you an example. With one of my digital products, it's Compass, we help startup founders become fundable. So if you're a founder and you want to raise capital, you can come and work with me and my brand next round. Why should you work with us? Because we have a ton of investors on the podcast and the community that will teach you how to become more fundable. Very simple. So our free tool now is a part of the app that's built on Lovable that literally breaks down. This is how you build a fundable startup, right? And you fill out this questionnaire, and right after you're done, you get a full breakdown of where your weak points are, where your strong points are, and we send you some investors immediately. Think about how valuable that is. If you're a founder trying to raise capital and you can't find investors, you can't get conversations, we help you and we tailor those conversations for you for free pretty much immediately if you're a fundable startup. If you're not, we break down how you can become fundable so we can connect you with investors. That's a much bigger win than me just sending out an ebook that is 28 pages of how they can become a fundable startup founder. Again, the digital products have to be better now. Like, I still think the software and stuff is a digital product. It's just different because it's better. My product is something that my users, my prospects can interact with before they pay me a dime. If you just send out an ebook, I'm going to beat you. So my sales funnel is shorter, is more impactful because I help them get a win faster, and it's more profitable because on the back end, they start paying me. And that's the next topic, subscriptions. What you got to understand about the subscriptions and that recurring revenue is it's a game changer in your business. It literally is why I think digital products are so powerful, because when people decide to pay you online and virtually, you get to make money online. And if you can be valuable and be helpful, they will pay you month over month over month. And in the SaaS world, they call it churn, when people pay for the product and then they stop. The truth is, when you actually are helping them, if you break it down like I'm actually transforming something for them, I'm getting them to a better outcome, people will continuously pay you and won't even think twice about it. So with Compass, what we do is we help these founders connect with investors that they otherwise couldn't get in the room with without us. So being a part of our platform, you consistently get to talk to investors. It's a game changer for a lot of these founders who otherwise wouldn't get access to this information or these people to ask questions. Now, a big caveat here I have to put into this digital product conversation is the engagement trap. Sometimes, if you're selling digital products online, you want to get the engagement up. You want people to follow you, to like all the videos, to leave comments and stuff. And that stuff does feel good. And it is important, it has its place. But when you're focused on the digital products as your main monetization strategy, I don't think you should chase numbers and engagement. I think you should chase conversions, meaning instead of your call to action being, hey, leave a comment, it's send me a DM. See how different that is? When I say leave a comment, it's public, everybody sees it. When I say send a DM, that means you contact me directly, we have a conversation. When we have that conversation, that's going to lead to a sales conversation. Whereas if you just leave a comment, it'll probably lead to me making more content, and that just continues the flow, which isn't a bad sales funnel strategy, but it's just not the best way, if you're trying to get those conversions up. The comments are good for engagement, but the DMs are perfect for conversions. That's the difference there. So there you have it. If you want to be profitable in this creator economy, you have to improve your digital product sales funnel. Stop using the same system everybody else is using of the free thing and this free thing and more slop. Don't waste your time. If you want to make money online, you got to do the stuff other people aren't doing. As soon as you can search it on YouTube and you see 100 videos on that one strategy or method, that means everybody's doing it. Most people have not gotten the concept yet or the ideas they can have on what they could build on Lovable or Replit or whatever to go and actually have a valuable digital product that people will continuously pay them for. That also is their lead magnet, where they also can send their emails to convert them from a prospect to a paying user. That's something most people don't think about. But if you can be the person that does that for your market, that's when you can win. So if you got any questions, put them down in the comments below. I'm Chris. I will see you next time.